Hello. Imagine your database running smoothly without interruptions, consistently delivering the accurate data. This is the result of effective database maintenance. When an organization implemented regular maintenance schedules, they saw a significant improvement in the database performance and reliability. So let's explore how we can do it in the PostgreSQL database. These are some major tasks which we need to be performed in our Postgres database on a regular basis. Uh, First one, this is the index maintenance. We have to perform the maintenance in our table, and we have to perform maintenance for our wall archive files. So we will discuss each maintenance in our next slides one by one.